Okay, so today we're going to talk about on how to make Nutella Swiss. So we're going to start off by putting a thin layer of Nutella on the. So we're going to start by spreading it out softly. It's going to be very thin, and this would make about 4 servings for 1 scoop. You're just going to keep spreading it out. Make sure it's a very thin layer. You don't want it too thick, or else it won't cook properly. So then we're gonna just continue spreading it out until it gets big enough for 4 servings. Now this looks like it's about it for about four servings. And now we're just gonna have to freeze it for 2 hours. Or possibly 1 hour to 3 hours if it doesn't seem ready. So you can either choose to do vanilla or chocolate filling. We chose to do vanilla. And what you wanna do is just pour some milk in there and mix it for 2 to 5 minutes. Now all you want to do is put the vanilla filling into the freezer. So now 2 hours later, they're ready. So now it's time to put the filling in and roll up the Swiss roll. Now we're going to put some vanilla filling in the Swiss roll and roll it up in a bit. So now we put the filling on. We're going to have to freeze it and then come back in an hour and a half, up to 3 hours.